Welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, I would like to officially introduce myself. My name is Itunu Ojeni. So before I proceed, I would like to thank you all for viewing my previous video. Thank you for liking and thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. And if you have subscribed to my channel, here's a thumbs up for you. Thank you. So in this video, I'll be taking you through my staycation journey at a beach resort in Lagos. So I'll be showing you the fun things I did and how beautiful the place is. Let's dive right into the video. So the journey took us about 2 hours from Lekki to Ibeju-Lekki. So imagine coming all the way from the mainland. At the point I was so tired, but then we finally got to the location. So we went to confirm our online booking at the reception. And I found out that you can actually convert your naira to the akpere so you can spend in the resort. Then here a cab was waiting for us to take us to the resort itself. Two things got me attracted to this place: the poolside and this particular scenery. So beautiful. So my friend and I decided to take some pictures and make some videos. So this is what their currency looks like. Afterwards, I decided to go for a bike ride. I had fun doing this, and I took my friend on the ride also. It was fun. We had fun doing this. So I took this particular video in the evening. It's so beautiful. Later in the evening, I went for swimming, and later in the night, I went for bonfire night. One thing about this place is that they sure know how to entertain people, and their staff courtesy is top notch. In the morning, I went for buffet breakfast. I tagged it buffet breakfast because there are varieties of food that you can actually pick from. For me, I decided to go with yam, sausage, egg sauce, and sardine sauce. As you can see, there are varieties of food that you can actually pick from. Actually, I ate twice because I went back for jollof rice and chicken. Look at me here enjoying myself. The meal is actually good. And during our meal, this cultural band people came to entertain us. It was really entertaining, and I enjoyed the whole entertainment. After breakfast, my friend and I decided to go for kayaking. I found out that kayaking is free during breakfast hours, which is from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the morning. There are some things that are actually free during breakfast hours. So this is another fun thing I did at the resort. I enjoyed doing this, although I was a bit scared, but I had fun doing this, and I'm glad I actually did this. So this is another one thing we go for free during the breakfast hours. It's like this in your face here. So this is another fun thing I did at the resort. I was a bit scared, but then I had fun doing this, and I also took some pictures, and here's one of the pictures I took. This is what the poolside looks like. My friend and I took some pictures here, and they came out really well. If you are a lover of adventure, you want to go for staycation, I would recommend this place. Thank you for watching.